for today's video, we went to Tumalog Falls before we going home. Siyempre, para sulit yung adventure namin dito sa Cebu. So, tara, samahan nyo kami sa panibagong adventure. What is the name of the falls?
Starts with T.
Tumalog. Bangkugon Beach Resort is really recommendable. They are offers the vehicles going to Tumalog Falls. Babayad lang talaga kayo ng mga 50 peso for the vehicles at saka 100 peso for both of us going to Tumalog Falls. Also 50 pesos each for the entrance fee. If you want to feel relaxed after the very exhausting day at busy work, syempre recommendable din yung Cebu City. Aside from the offers a lot of adventure that you love to explore, marami din talaga kayong magagawang activities together with, especially with your couple goals. Let's have a quick recap adventure in Cebu City after going to Magellan Shrine, then the ocean parks, then whale sharks, then now it was our last adventure going to Tumalog Falls. Marami pang hindi namin napuntahan na pwede nyong explore once you were in Cebu City. Kaya lang ngayon, it was a short vacation for my hubby, so it's fine. As I have mentioned, it was the best street honeymoon for me hubby. Reconsidering, lalo na kahit na busy siya sa work, he still have time to spend with me for this adventure. As we both love adventure, so I decided to filming the video and every adventure we go. Kasi naman, nakaka-amaze yung mga lugar na napupuntahan namin. And of course, I want to share to other people about the couple goals we have that. I'm filming and upload videos not to envy everyone. Like what I have said in my previous video, gusto ko lang i-share yung couple goals namin to adventure and explore. If you only notice the sign that we're going to Tumalog Falls, so I feel excited na. Before I forgot, the Bangkugon Beach Resort offers different kind of vehicles. Pero syempre, as we want to explore more, ito talaga yung pinili namin. This is me not an expensive car, pero yung main goal talaga namin is to explore. Maybe I got up there. For sure, you will love to visit Tumalog Falls after watching this video. This is truly amazing and wonderful adventure. What we love to know about the Tumalog Falls is the main draw of Tumalog Falls. It is the beautiful curtain of water which gracefully flows down the rock like a delicate veil. The wide and streams of water gently descend from a height around 100 meters, creating a unique and mesmerizing sight that different from typical roaring waterfalls. Unlike some of the more crowded waterfalls in Cebu, the Tumalog Falls maintain peaceful, quiet atmosphere, especially if you visit during off-peak hours. The sound of the water falling combined with the chirping of birds and rustling leaves creates a relaxing ambiance and perfect for a peaceful nature escape. Sorry sa background, sobrang ingay talaga.
A few moments later.
By the way, I want to correct what I said kasi I remember that I said it was Tumalog Falls, but it's not. It's actually Tumalog Falls. It is located in Slough, Cebu. It is a stunning curtain-like waterfall that offers a breathtaking view and a refreshing swim in its large rock pool. I've heard that the falls are accessible via a step but manageable path, and the visitors can choose to walk or take a habal-habal, the motorbike, ride to reach the entrance. Usually, it was good to must be visit. The falls are very visited during the rainy seasons for a stronger flow of the fewer crowds. And Tumalog Falls is often paired with whale shark watching the Tumalog Island stars, making it is a perfect stop of your South Cebu adventure. Other words, you won't regret kung pupunta ka ng Cebu. Aside from they offer a lot of activities, you will love this adventure. I feel like I left my heart in Cebu. This is what it calls adventure. Sulit na sulit talaga. We both felt excited, especially that Tumalog is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Cebu. People used to build houses near here. I will always treasure this road trip. After the World Shock Tour, we decided to visit the Tumalog Falls for our last day trip here in Cebu. I have mentioned you have to take a motorbike down the hill or where to get there. The ride costs 75 or 50 pesos each way to there, and there is another drop-off point at the top which requires an extra bike per person to take you to the next 1/4 mile. Also, this is a fee for the tourists that you have to pay anyway. And once the falls are quite spectacular, it was 100 feet high, 60 feet wide, and totally natural beauty with no human intervention. I can't blame people if they love to go to Cebu kasi even the first time we traveled here, na in love ako. I've also noticed that there's a lot of people, different people from different country travels here, not only a local people and also the foreign, just to witness how beautiful the Tumalog Waterfalls here. So this is my friendly advice: before you in love with other countries, you must visit first our natural tourist spot here in the Philippines kasi marami pa tayong magagandang tanaw. After almost 1 hours, finally narating na rin namin kung saan kami pwedeng mag-standby going to Tumalon. Ang narinig ko kasi sa driver is kailangan namin maghanap ng parking lot, then kumuha naman ng habal-habal kumbaga para puntahan namin yung Tumalon Falls kasi hindi nila kayang puntahan yun eh. It was very risky kung ito yung gagamitin kaya habal-habal yung kailangan namin gamitin papunta ron. Before I forgot, I did not filming nung bumaba kami sa sasakyan. Tama lang talaga na hindi yun yung ginamit namin kasi kung napapansin nyo nasa motorsiklo na ako at yung road niya is pababa at saka delikado. Hindi siya safe kung yun yung ginamit namin. Matarik yung road niya at saka yung parang snake, ganun yung style niya. Kaya hindi talaga, delikado talaga siya. If you're going to see the Tumalon Falls, you need to be ready to explore. Kasi bago namin marating yung bukanan ng Tumalon Falls, bago kami kumakay sa habal-habal, it was long for almost 1 hour. Tapos naman ngayon papunta na kami sa Tumalon Falls, siguro it longs for 30 minutes. Pero this is all worth it when you see the Tumalon Falls. Sobrang ganda niya. Yeah. We going here?
We paid it.
Wait, kumabay. Ha? So we're going here to pay for the entrance.
Okay.
There.
Wow, that was steep. Wow.
Wow, look at that.
That's better than the Grampian steep.
Huh?
That's better than home. Remember we went to that one?
Yeah. Wow, it's beautiful. Ganda. So,
I think they make these pools. See how they make them with concrete?
wow.
You could still use the thing, David.
I think this is a perfect spot that you can enjoy a meal that's surrounded by nature. There are designated spots where you can lay out your food and take in scenic views. Again, this is what we call adventure. The takeaway in serene town of Uslov in southern Cebu, the Tumalog Falls is natural marvel that leaves visitors in awe with its tall, gentle cascade and curtain-like flow. Unlike most thunderous waterfalls, Tumalog Falls creates a soft, dreamy atmosphere that's perfect for those seeking peace and nature's beauty. It is surrounded by lush green forests and tranquil ambience that offers refreshing retreats. See you in my next video. Always be nice and kind. Bye!